you don't mind, you have to repeat after me a sentence. Okay? Adhi
Adi
maite
maite
madda
madde
मैं आख्या
me akya
तू तां
tuta
मेरे
mere
नहूं दे
namunde
बराबर कोई नहीं.
pare koine.
हाँ.
Ah.
Yeah. As I told you that my English is not so good, so I have a lot of hurdles when I'm talking to you.
Your English is very well. Your pronunciation is very well.
Thank
It's
you.
very well understandable.
Actually, my dad
Where
was.
did you learn this?
Yeah.
Did you live in England or somewhere?
Yeah, exactly. You are the single person.
I got it, man.
Yeah, you got me totally, man. Yeah. That is very nice. Well, I. Am I right?
That's a good start.
Yeah, finally, yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, of course. We Pakistanis are. Well, you should tell me how Pakistanis are behaving with you. I mean, how Pakistanis कैसे treat कर रहे हैं आपको? How Pakistanis are treating you? क्या कहूँ? Yeah. Are we friends now?
Yeah, of course.
So are you?
I'm very happy to talk with you and to get an interview with you and.
So I'm going to Germany with you now.
Yeah, of course, you come with me.
No, bro, no, please. Am I right?
That's a good start.
Yeah, finally, yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, of course. We Pakistanis are. Well, you should tell me how Pakistanis are behaving with you. I mean, how Pakistanis कैसे treat कर रहे हैं आपको? How Pakistanis are treating you? क्या कहूँ? Yeah. If you get me.
Anjana,
What are you feeling when you see him? Do
these
you
are
enjoy
two
Pakistani?
different questions.
Yeah.
Huh?
इसीलिए कहते हैं कि उड़ते हुई बात में बात नहीं करते मतलब भाई. Let me finish. यार उड़ते तीर को नहीं बाप. Yes, please.
He's always talking.
Yeah, he's such a nice guy.
He's my mouth. He's always talking.
Well, on your behalf.
And he's talking in Urdu, and I don't have any chance to speak with my own thoughts. So here, people have been extremely friendly to me.
Very
Extremely
nice.
friendly.
Have you been hosted well?
Sometimes I feel like a TV star or a cinema star.
Yeah.
Or everyone wants
Yeah.
to make a selfie with me.
Sir,
But
don't feel. If you are coming from outside the Pakistan, you are a star for us. Because we really appreciated when somebody comes to Pakistan, explore Pakistani things, foods, streets, even locals. So it is such a good gesture. क्या होता है? Gesture for us. So मैं क्या पूछने वाला था?
But I met many people, many
Yeah.
Pakistani people. The most asking me, "Oh, sir, where are you from?"
Yeah.
I tell them from Germany, and where are you from? From Pakistan? No, but from what city? Oh, Karachi or Multan or Muzaffargarh or wherever.
Impressive.
Wherever. And Punjab. And then I ask them, "What's your name?" They ask me, "What's my name?" And then for me, it's more interesting to ask them, "How do you feel? What is your plan in your life? What is the wish? What's your wish? Where do you want to go once in your life?"
Okay.
So the answers are very different and very, very interesting. And many people asking me about my plan and about my trip here. I will travel this time for 4 months.
Okay.
Only 1 month in Pakistan, but until now I feel I must return.
Very
return.
good.
So interesting places, interesting people, different people, very different people.
Very
It's amazing here. And I say this with my full heart. It's
We really honored, sir. We really honored it. Can you please repeat after me? If I would definitely like to let you say a sentence. As I told you that my English is not so good, so I have a lot of hurdles when I'm talking to you.
Your English is very well. your pronunciation is very well.
Thank
It's
you.
very well understandable.
Actually, my dad
Where did you
was.
learn this?
Yeah.
Did you live in England or somewhere?
Yeah, exactly. You are the single person.
I got it, man.
Yeah, you got me totally, man. Yeah. That is very nice. Well, I would like to ask something. If you don't mind, you have to repeat after me a sentence. Okay? Adhi
Adi,
maite
maite,
marda.
madde,
मैं आख्या
me akya,
तू ता
tuta,
मेरे
mere,
न हूं दे
namde,
बराबर कोई नहीं.
pare koine.
हाँ.
Ah.
Yeah. Very good.
Ah.
Well, sir. What?
My mouth tell me what it is. What did I say? Maybe I go.
No. मैं बता देता हूँ. My really close. My name is SUHAIB Ahmed. What is yours, sir?
Mike.
Mike. Wow. And I'm holding a mic right now.
Wow.
Well, Mike.
Amazing.
Wow. Well, Mike. मैं आपको बताता चलूँ कि which question. यार मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत कम है यार. मैं यार तला प्लीज ट्रांसलेट ब्रो. मैं उनसे कहना चाह रहा हूँ my very close friend named Mehroz.
Meros.
Yeah, this sentence which you just repeated after me.
Okay.
It was only a funny sentence.
Yeah.
Like it is a sentence of a local language of Pakistan.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Okay.
So I will try.
Yeah. You.
Wait. I must. So.
Yeah, sure. We have already said this sentence. Oh wow. Oh my gosh!
So now.
Wow.
Now I'm ready for for the camera.
Mike, I'm a little bit romantic too.
You are a little bit romantic too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's amazing.
But I'm.
But you have to, so when you are acting in front of the camera, you have to look very well and you have to be romantic because then you will meet people in the middle of their heart. So now say what you want to say.
गोरे समझ गए जे. गोरे समझ गए, तुम्हें नहीं समझ आ रही. Well, Mike, can you please share? Wait, let me finish a sentence in my mind, then I'll convey it to you. Okay? Can you please share a good and a bad experience of Pakistani experience? समझा दे यार.
Basically, he wants to ask from you that do you have any good and bad experiences in the Pakistan?
Yeah.
You have to
can you
share
please
one.
I understand him. His English is much.
Oh
very
my
well.
gosh! Let me please.
Directly understand.
Let me please sit with Mr. Mike, please.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Okay.
He will be sad when he can't talk.
Oh yeah.
So my
First, good experience first.
yeah, my best experience is it's a global experience in Pakistan, meeting with people. When I hope I will not make bad experience, but all the people I met have been extremely friendly, extremely open for me, and happy to see a foreigner coming to the country.
Mike, are you buttering us, or is it reality?
This is reality. Okay. This is real, true. Otherwise, I would not say. I would not say this. I did not make any bad experience with people here.
Wow.
So, yeah, that's amazing.
Honor for us, sir.
Yeah, you can confirm this.
अच्छा, एक लोकल इनके साथ एक पाकिस्तानी भी मौजूद हैं, तो वो अभी तो नहीं आ सकते क्योंकि वो इस कंडीशन में खड़े हैं कि वो भी कैमरे को फेस नहीं करेंगे, यकीनन नहीं करेंगे ना. हाँ.
Just a last question.
Yeah, yes, please.
Just a last question from me. Did you enjoy the desi food in Pakistan?
Yeah.
Like naan chane?
Yeah.
Desi food?
Yeah, desi food.
Did you enjoy them all?
No.
Which food you like the most in Pakistan?
Oh,
Except biryani. No biryani.
cheese pasta.
Cheese pasta.
Cheese pasta. Oh, from
Cheese paratha.
paratha.
Okay.
Cheese paratha.
Okay.
Yeah. But when you disturbed me, I just tried.
Did I disturb you,
I
sir?
just tried to check out these most delicious biscuits from the bakery there at the corner. Shazan.
Okay.
Shazan. I just tried one. No. So it
So
makes.
you were eating it alone?
Yeah, he don't. My friend, he
You can
don't.
offer us.
My friend don't like sweet.
Okay.
And I'm far from Germany, and in Germany sometimes we have this delicious, not so delicious.
Okay, but Mr. Mike, I really like sweets.
Yeah, you try. You must try them. You really must
Thank you.
try them. We only bought some
Okay.
little bit, but you need to check out.
If you don't mind, sir.
You want to hear my bad experience
Oh no, we don't want.
We do want to know
with the
that.
biscuits?
Oh no. Did you try it? Did you try it?
Yes, I tried it. I already tried it.
Okay.
There are
then
three
you have to-
three difference.
You have to. You have to.
You
give
can
it to
try
me
one.
With your hand.
I
With your hand. With your hand.
I give you?
Yeah,
Yes,
please.
I give you my favorite. This one. He's eating out of my hand.
Whoa.
These are so delicious. So delicious. With coconut.
Basically, he just like things to go very high.
He cannot speak now.
He-
We are continuing the interview.
Exactly. So, about the bad experiences you
About
were
the bad
telling.
experience, yeah. Bad experience is especially about the pollution. The pollution is a big point, a big topic here. Pakistani government and people have to change. Not only the air here in Lahore, but also when I go to the nature, everywhere I find plastic and cigarette, the rest of cigarette. And once,
Yes, please.
so
Yes, please continue, sir.
yeah, one cigarette is disturbing 1,000 liter of groundwater. So everyone forget this, and everyone kicks the cigarette away when he's ready. And this is also a point. And
Even
the
sir,
pollution
our
is-
government has a lot of
very, very
dustbins like you can see here in market. Cameraman, please piche karing camera. Apaji piche hona thoda ku.
But there are not enough of them.
Exactly.
There are not enough of them.
So our public should-
only here at this place people try to keep it clean, but
Exactly.
look around everywhere.
Our public is not enough aware about this. So they should keep our streets, our markets, our houses, our gadiyans, our bikans, our sadkans, karans clean.
Yes.
But they never do this.
Yeah. I hope the beautiful people in Pakistan, all the people I met, will take more care of the nature. This is my message for them. And the second message is, please stay friendly as you are.
Exactly.
Mwah.
Oh
so
my
great!
gosh.
And this, I'm so happy to be in your country. And
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are really very बहुत सारा honored to have you with us, sir, tonight.
Oh, thank you so much.
Suddenly, और क्या कहते हैं अचानक को surprisingly, unexpectedly.
Unexpectedly.
Today I'm gonna ultan laga my complete bucket of my English.
Very well, your English is very
So
well.
do you really appreciate me for it?
Yeah.
Any message for myself, sir?
For yourself, stay as funny as you are.
Oh my God.
I saw just before I was watching you, and you made all people around laughing.
Okay.
That's a good
Thank you.
thing. Smiling and laughing, it's very healthy for anyone.
You know, we Pakistanis are getting very depressed.
Yes,
Every single person have issue anxiety, depression, like so. ਇਹ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਭਾਜੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਬੋਤਲ ਫੜ ਕੇ ਸੜਕ ਤੇ
Yes.
this is the reason.
inside, I saw it before.
Yeah. This is. I have something in this bottle. Can you उसको क्या कहते हैं? Yeah. Can you guess that what is inside the bottle?
A dream. Maybe a dream. A dream of
Wow.
a dream of a clean and healthy and peaceful world.
Wow. I really appreciate you, Mike.
And this dream is so huge, so it goes. I hope it goes everywhere, not only in the bottle, goes in all the person.
Wow.
So
One last
this
thing.
was the last romantic part.
Wow.
So same
Yeah, this no. The truth is truth, and truth is always bitter. So we are the nation who knows that every single moment is for learning.
Yeah.
So we should learn from everyone who has the knowledge about anything. So we never regret it, and we never mind it. That if somebody comes to me and tell me that Suhaib, you have to throw this bottle in the dustbin, and I should appreciate it that ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਚੰਗੀ ਗੱਲ ਦੱਸੀ ਹੈ.
Yeah.
तो the thing is, तो ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਆਖਣਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ ਸਰ?
That's just difficult. It's
ਲੰਬੀ ਕਰਤੀ ਨਾ ਮੈਂ.
really difficult. It's really difficult.
Really difficult. Okay, any good thing of German?
It's really difficult to say because I am in a totally different country.
Yeah.
I'm in a totally different country, and I see in your country I see a lot of chances, especially because here are living so many young people.
Yeah.
In Germany there are living much old people.
Okay.
I wish you to have a lot of work like we have in Germany, because I see most of the young people are searching for work and they cannot get. And this is really a problem. So I wish all the people in Pakistan to have the chance to get a work like people in Germany have.
Yeah.
I think that's very important. And not the money, not to give the money, but to do something by their own. Because I met many people, they are very intelligent, very clever in their mind, very open in their mind, and they don't have any chance. They don't have any chance. This might be, maybe this could be a good way for Pakistan.
For Pakistan. Okay, so Mike, are we friends now?
Yeah, of course.
So are you?
I'm very happy to talk with you and to get an interview with you. And
So I'm going to Germany with you now.
yeah, of course, you come with me.
No, bro, no, please. Mike, thank you so much, and please say the people that subscribe to SA Times.
To what?
SA Times.
Yes. Please, people, you must subscribing for SA Time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pakistan. Zindabad. Pakistan. Zindabad.
Pakistan, Zindabad.
Zindabad.
Mats, close.